Are you looking for the top 5 best shoes with wheels? Tired of walking everywhere and wish you could just roll? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Heelys Unisex Child Voyager. First up is the Heelys Unisex Child Voyager, priced at $39.79. What really caught my attention was its fun design, featuring a Barbie character. If you want a playful way for your child to get around, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The Heelys feature low-profile wheels that allow kids to glide smoothly, which means less strain on little legs during playtime. The ABAC 5 bearings ensure a smooth and fast roll, making it easier for your child to navigate while having fun. Plus, with over 100 sales in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice among parents. But I'll be real with you, some parents have mentioned that the sizing can be a bit tricky, and it's essential to get the right fit. Here's the thing though, as long as you consult the sizing chart, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a young child who loves skating and needs a bit of encouragement to be active. Skip this one if your child is still learning balance, as they might need more stability. Now, product number 2, Heelys Unisex Adult Voyager. Next up is the Heelys Unisex Adult Voyager, retailing for $48. I was impressed by its lightweight design and padded collar, perfect for adults who want a stylish way to glide around. If you want comfort without sacrificing style, this is definitely worth your attention. This product is designed with adult wearers in mind, meaning more robust support and traction. The rubber sole allows for extra grip, so you can feel secure whether you're in the skate park or just cruising around your neighborhood. Plus, it comes with a set of ABAC bearings for a smooth ride, which is essential for adult users looking to avoid injuries. With over 50 sales recently, it's clear that adults are jumping on the Heelys trend. However, some users have pointed out that the learning curve can be challenging. Here's the thing, while it may take a bit of practice, once you get the hang of it, the joy of rolling will be worth it. This is perfect for you if you're an adult who wants to combine fun and fitness in a unique way. Skip product number 3, Sassy Kids Roller Shoes. Coming in at $39.99, we have the Sassy Kids Roller Shoes. What caught my eye is the vibrant color options and the addition of LED lights that charge via USB. If you want your kid to stand out while they roll, this one is a fun pick. These roller shoes are designed to grow with your child, as they can switch between 2 wheels, 1 wheel, or just regular sneakers. This versatility means your child can gradually learn how to skate while still having a comfortable sneaker option. Plus, the LED lights are not just for show. They add an element of fun that encourages kids to be active. With over 50 units sold recently, parents clearly see the appeal. However, some complaints mention that the lights can drain quickly with heavy use. But here's the thing, kids love showing off their light-up shoes, and even a few hours of fun is often enough to keep them entertained. This is perfect for you if your child loves flashy and fun footwear. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's purely functional without the bells and whistles. Now, if the flashy designs aren't your style, the next product number 4, Heelys Youth Girls Pro 20, priced at $64.99. The tie-dye design is super trendy, which caught my attention right away. If you want a stylish yet functional option for your kids, this could be the one. What I love about this shoe is the removable wheels, allowing for a smooth transition from skating to just walking. The breathable textile lining keeps your child's feet cool, which is crucial for those long days at school or play dates. The durable synthetic outsole provides excellent traction, making it safe for both skating and regular use. With 50 units sold recently, it's gaining popularity among the youth. However, some reviews mention that the shoes run a bit wide. Here's the thing, if your child has narrow feet, it might not be the best fit, but for most kids, the comfort and style outweigh this issue. This is perfect for you if you want a shoe that combines fashion with functionality for your kids. Skip product number 5, HSQ Fashion Sneaker Roller Skate Shoes. Finally, we have the HSQ Fashion Sneaker Roller Skate Shoes, which you can grab for just $35.14. The color scheme is eye-catching, and the design really screams fun. If you're looking for an affordable option that offers multiple uses, this might be the one for you. These shoes come with detachable wheels, meaning your child can easily switch between skating and regular sneaker use. The potted collar makes them comfortable for all-day wear, which is perfect for active kids. Plus, the four-wheel design is beginner-friendly, making it easier for kids just starting out. With 50 sales in the past month, they're clearly appealing to budget-conscious parents. However, there were some complaints that the wheels can feel a bit wobbly. But here's the thing, once your child gets the hang of it, those initial wobbles are just part of the learning curve. These are perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional pair of shoes for your kids that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a more...
To quickly recap, we covered the Heelys Unisex Child Voyager, Heelys Unisex Adult Voyager, and Saucy Kids Roller Shoes, Heelys Youth Girls Pro 20, and HSQ Fashion Sneaker Roller Skate Shoes. Truffy. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Heelys Youth Girls Pro 20 because of its stylish design and removable wheels that provide great versatility. Avoid the Saucy Kids Roller Shoes if you're not prepared for the LED light straining quickly.